No more walls. So there's where air conditioners are going. Right there is one. In the back there is number 2 air conditioner. As you can see, they're smoothing this out. It looks good. There will be an air conditioner here in the office. Right there. There will be an air conditioner right up top there. And the other air conditioner will be up there. Everybody's working hard. Doors should be in this week. The new doors for these. And there we are. There's the old wall. That'll be taken out here in a few days. Here's some more of the tiles they took out that'll replace. This here will have glass going all across here so that it will not let out our cold air conditioning that will be coming from that air conditioner. Say hi. And there you are. Quick video of the progress.